Hi everyone. So this question is from June 2019 and question is from real analysis. So we have to identify the given function from R to R is 1 1 or not, on 2 or not, with some restrictions. So this is question number 63 and question is f is a function from real line to real line, be any function. Then we have to identify which of following statement is true. So your first option is f is not 1 1 if graph of f intersects some line parallel to x-axis at least 2 points. So f is not 1 1 if the graph of f intersect the line parallel to x-axis at 2 points. So basically given that first option, the graph of this function, if we will take a line parallel to x-axis and the graph of f intersect this line in at least 2 points. So if this line intersect at least 2 points, so definitely if this distance is y, so this point is x1 and this point is x2, definitely x1 is not equal to x2, but f of x1, which is y, is the same as f of x2. We have already discussed in a theory the geometrical definition of a 1 1 function. A function is 1 1 if every line passing through codomain and parallel to domain intersect the curve y equal to fx at the most 1, then function must be a 1 1. So in the first option, f is not 1 1 if the line parallel to x-axis intersect the graph of f at least 2 points. Definitely this is not 1 1 function. So first option you are true. And second option is f is 1 1 if the graph of f intersect the line, every line parallel to x-axis at the most 1 point. So definitely by definition of a 1 1 function, geometrically the function is 1 1 if and only if the graph of a function intersect the line passing through codomain and parallel to domain at most one point. So second option is true. Third option, we have to identify the definition of a surjective function. So third option is f is surjective if the graph of f intersect every line parallel to x-axis. So the graph of f, since function is surjective for all y belongs to R, that is y on y-axis, there must exist a premise x belongs to R such that y should be equal to f of x. That is, every line passing through y and parallel to x must intersect the graph y equal to fx at least once. So definitely third option is also true. And D option is f is not surjective if at least one line parallel to x-axis does not intersect the graph of f. Obviously, if this line is not intersecting the graph of f, so this point does not have a premise, hence function is not on 2. Hence all the 4 options are correct options. So just